Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Instagram post you have liked option not showing. So first step is you need to open Play Store and update your Instagram. Once you've done that, simply go and open Instagram, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and click on account. Previously there is an option under request verification post you have liked, but now you can see that that option is removed. You simply need to click on profile picture and click on three bars and click on your activity, and then you need to click on interactions, and then you need to click on likes. So here you can find your all like posts. So this is a process by which you can find your like post on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.